Hey, what's up guys? Or you. Maybe not guys, maybe not gal, just you. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I have a lot of videos about lawn care. I do some things about banks. But most importantly, the reason why I wanted to make this video is because, well, YouTube has the offer for like a hey, for people who don't know your channel video option. So I wanted to make this, and I want to be transparent. I try to always stay focused on the task of the video, but I also want to introduce myself. My name is Douglas Smith. I go by Doug. I used to be in the Navy. I'm out. I've worked many manufacturing jobs. I used to do weightlifting, there, did sales, whatever. It's all irrelevant, more or less, because where we are today and where I am today is you're currently viewing me, which is awesome, and thank you. But number two, I can't really do much anymore. I'm 80% disabled through the VA. And there's a Facebook notification. Sorry. I'm 80% disabled through the VA. I haven't worked since May 2019, and here we are at the booty end of September 2020. This channel is about the last thing I have left, so I'm not asking you to go to a Patreon or anything because I don't have one. I'm not going to ask for donations. All I ask is if you do enjoy or you feel educated by any means by anything that I post, please actually do give a thumbs up and actually do subscribe. If not, cool, great, thank you for stopping by. But that's where I am. That's who I am. See you.